how to make a celebrity DM you. The first thing what you need to do to take off on that selection, it is to get into the right point. In this case, for example, if you go on the search box and type for Cristiano Ronaldo, the most famous person on the planet, the most followed person on Instagram, and if you go message, which is right here, and you type, for example, hi bro, and just go send. And right now, guys, if you get off from here and just go into your chat selections, which are right here on scrolling on your right side, you need to tap and hold on it, and then simply get into the file selection, which is to take off and get the right point. They're getting the right point, it is to mark as unread. Tap the second selection, and now, as you can see, guys, in these sites makes that celebrity DM you.